Hello, I'm Diksha Vaiti, working as an intern at Pixel Apps.
If you ask anyone nowadays whether they know what a smart band is and why is it used, you will probably get an answer from everyone. But if you had asked this question or described what smart devices are to people over a decade ago, many people wouldn't have believed you. This is because technology has always kept evolving. Wearable devices are the newest technology and range from smart bands to smart shoes to smart glasses to fashion accessories, etc. Wearable devices are trending and very popular amongst various age groups all around the globe. Due to this, many large and leading companies like Samsung, Apple and other small companies too have started investing in this rapid and ever-growing field. Wearables are designed keeping in mind the power management efficiency, high performance, its easy connectivity to mobile devices and cloud storage of the data. For this, the companies need technology partners who can deliver wearable software development services with a great sense of design along with mobile app development and cloud technology experience. Many companies have already ventured out into this new yet promising platform. Android Wear APIs are available for developers along with Android Wear design principles to create a new immersive experience for this new type of form factor. For Samsung Gear applications, developers have access to the Tizen SDK for wearable and Samsung Accessory SDK alongside the common Android development environment. Apple has already seeded some companies with a pre-release version of Apple SDK for wearables. The wearable devices can be categorized into input and output devices. Input devices are the ones which receive and monitor data, whereas output devices give you the desired output metric you want to track. There are many factors which need to be looked upon owing to the various limitations the wearable devices possess. There can be many problems such as functional singleness, incompatibility between the operating system and software, the screen size limitation, data transmission, power consumption, etc. Developing the software or apps for these devices can be classified into two types. First, the standalone apps. The standalone apps run on the wearable device itself. These apps work independently of the device or operating system, such as an iOS app working on an Android device. Here the users can perform required tasks on the wearable device without having the need to access a mobile phone. Mobile apps. The mobile apps, as suggested by the name itself, run on the mobile devices. This is the most common method used. You have to download a native app on your smartphone and connect it to the wearable device using wireless technology. Now here are some important factors to be considered while developing apps for the wearable devices. First, screen size. As the screen size of the wearable device is limited, it is important to design the app to make sure that the user is able to consume the data without much effort. The user should be able to access the data with a glance at the screen. Second, app features. Wearable device apps are less powerful when compared with the mobile apps. Hence, it is important to select the basic and important app features only. You do not want to overwhelm your users with too many unnecessary app features which might annoy them. Third, interface. Users expect quick interaction with the wearable devices. Hence, it is best to design an app with a minimal and clear interface. Keep the color scheme, contrast, font type and size very simple, which is easy to read. Fourth, smartphone integration. People use wearable devices for easy and quick access when they do not have that much of time to access their mobile device for that moment. However, they will need to access the mobile to analyze the data collected by the wearable device. Hence, it is necessary to integrate the wearable device with the user's smartphone. The development for wearable device technology is still new and the market keeps undergoing changes. Due to this, developers face many challenges. However, if the above-mentioned factors and the ever-growing wearable device technology and trends are taken into consideration, investment into wearable devices can provide success.
Thank you for watching the video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, please check out Pixel Apps. The link is given in the description box below.